Tools for staying informed. To succeed in trading, you need to stay informed, and these tools are your lifeline to the markets. First, news platforms like Bloomberg, Reuters, and CNBC deliver real-time, credible financial news. They cover everything from global economic events to earnings announcements and policy changes, essential for market timing and sentiment gauging. Next, economic calendars are invaluable. Websites like Forex Factory or Investing.com provide calendars that list upcoming economic releases, such as interest rate decisions, employment data, and inflation reports. Knowing when these events are scheduled helps you anticipate market-moving moments and plan your trades accordingly. Lastly, social media and trading forums offer timely updates and opinions. Twitter, Reddit, especially r/Wall Street Bets or r/Forex, and other online communities can sometimes break news before mainstream outlets. However, take this information with a grain of salt. It's crucial to verify sources and avoid herd mentality, as misinformation can spread quickly. Together, these tools help you build a 360-degree view of the market and react intelligently rather than emotionally. Learn more by clicking the link in description.